Hey guys, this is my first video. I'm sorry if it's a little bit cruddy, but this is a Kiwi Co. gravity timer. I'm just unboxing everything. This segment of the video is just a time lapse of me putting together the timer itself. You can see here that I'm kind of struggling with putting the two pieces together. The whole thing was unbalanced, so I tried standing up the top half with a roll of duct tape, but I took it away after it could balance itself. And this is the finished product.